man if he raise and eat woman, if he do any other thing, if he treats am any other way, because he ain't man, anything don't make you raise your hand. Wait, the way one knock where? Imagine the woman some man say we say they beat woman when you get belly. So any man with that reason beat woman, you not get what he not fit do. Wetin he cannot do does not exist. Maybe that man. Wetin he cannot do does not exist. So my sister, all the things my brothers and sisters don't talk for years, since don't reach for you to decide. Could you say you want to be thinker, you be the thinker and say you want to go back? You don't love your children or you don't love yourself. If you know you love yourself and you love your children, pick up the pieces that is left of your life and move on. Even if you get 4 children, you get 3 children, you can say no. One person just there for corner when we say they admire you, when we say you go feel say sweep you up. Where they sweep the out of their feet, many years well, you they get. If he still owe you, if he still take you, forget those children. Say you get. If he take hands in home, that's just find your way. Oh, may you run up. But if you say you want to go as a good woman, 100 years material. No wahala. So I rest my case.
Thank you very much, Star Pressure. If you think I not remember you, they lie. I know you. I know you well. I thought you take on this platform. Your mouth are the other day different. I know you well. People they come for comment section say, you don't remember Precious again. You don't remember her. I remember her. Thank you. You do well. Next person, please. Okay, our brother is here. Our brother is here. Exceptional. Father of the house, talk to us, please.
No, Wetin I be one talk. Sister don't talk am.
Okay.
Wetin I be one talk. She don't vanor am. If vanor reach grand. If that lady they hear word, so she be one go back. Hey, sister. So you were warming up to go and receive the last one we no do finish. Don't make that mistake, I beg. It's a big mistake you were about making. No matter what they give you chop. Today, if na plate, break am. If na pot, throw am for bush. You understand? I know why you are worried. It's because of that paper. I bet you if you stay alone, you get that paper.
You are going to have that paper.
You are going to get that paper quick if you stay alone.
Yes, you will get it.
You will get it. That man is going to match you and put you in a bondage. You will not get it. Now, they take the remote you where you tell like that there, where you no get that.
Yes.
Don't go. Or else you go to delay and more. Thank you.
Okay, let me quickly say this thing, please. Okay? In case you don't know, if I told this thing for FYP, I don't know why they cry for this thing, but not truth. Later they call me, Brother Austin. Listen, my sister. You they watch me here. Never you listen to your mom's advice, to your dad's advice when it comes to marriage issue in abroad. Never you allow your parents to advise you when it comes to marriage. Make una cut my voice. Now me talk am. Make una cut am. Never you allow your parents to advise you in many cases when it comes to marriage in abroad. In case you don't know, marriage in abroad and marriage in Africa is not the same. Okay? I'm a married man. It's not the same. Except you are still playing or you don't know what is marriage. I don't know the meaning of marriage in abroad. Or you don't know how to differentiate both of them. The greatest advice your mom will give you, okay, is for your mom to always tell you to be patient. That what you are passing through once happens to her. You see it? Old school. Oldie days. And you are not living in Africa. You are living abroad. You see it? Better you seek advice from someone in, it must not be me, not me. I mean from someone in abroad. Not even everybody, because I guess some people be saying they see naked for war. If you go seek their advice, that advice will not care for what too. You understand? Prefer that than your mother. Yes. Not that your mom is not good. No. We all love our moms. Okay? But when it comes to marriage, your mom, 9. Or else, you are going to be a victim. I promise you that. You are going to be a victim. You understand? You don't marry now. You don't already marry. Now we chop the bride price. Now we take the bride price. Since you don't say you don't want to marry, why you don't take the bride price? We don't agree. Oh, go. That's the advice they will advise you. Let me tell you something. Let me be honest to you. Let me use my parents as an example. In case you don't know. See, if you want to marry my sister now, I'll tell you the truth. Oh. My father not will even bother himself. He not will bother you. He not will bother you when you can't do a lot of things, can't carry canopy, me everywhere, you're full, me this one, that one. You know why? Not before, now in mentality be that. The only thing when he prefer as a father, when he be joy, he doesn't make give him one naira. Wetin be my father joy. If exceptional be want to do marriage, they will come call and say they want to come marry person for there. My papa will go. You see, then as he wants to do marriage now, one of his daughter, he will say call people. May they come. Only that joy alone. Now what they want to derive from you as a daughter. Okay? Then that shame, if you know they set for the marriage, that shame, when they eat that fufu together with the village people, now that shame, now they dodge. In case you don't know, make I tell you, now that shame, now they dodge. No, but on that thing, they don't hate you, they like you. But that shame, when they eat that fufu together for village, all those draw soup, all those draw soup where they draw away. Now that shame, now they escape. No, but on that thing, say if Asagbo you hear and say, because they come marry that day, they not marry again. If Osamu you hear and say, as marry where they marry that day, all those things that they escape. No, because they don't say when they pass through here for the marriage, they know. But now that one they escape, they'll see they tell them say, okay, you don't do, we don't see that one before. They escape shame and disgrace. We know all these things. You understand? I know of a man where I for come. He don't care whether you will do something for a pikin. He don't care. Just only bring money come. Make community say eat. At least make say call people. Make they call eat for your house. Only that one now be waiting. Now we'll give am joy. Now so it be make una know all those things. Wetin don't cast me. Wetin don't cast me. Wetin don't cast me, I swear. It don't cast me. Anyway, next person, please. Next person. We still there here. Next person, please.
Host is
Don't cast me. I greet you.
Hello.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is my first time climbing your platform. Mostly I'm at the comment section and I'm listening, and then
okay, thank you.
It's just unfortunate that we don't know how much we are hurting our own children from those situations. I think we are sometimes we do think that we are helping them, but we are not. We are not. And I'm going to just use example of my parents. Oh my God, they are always, there is bush here and there. And one day, I'm the youngest. So one day I went to my mom and I said, is it not okay to just leave? And then she said, no, I can't leave because your father is too wicked. If I leave, he is going to take all of you from me and then he will mess your life up. Then give an example with our step sibling. We did have step siblings. He said, did you see this one? Did you see how their life is? You see, he has wasted this person's life. So if I go, he will waste your life. But you see, my mother, she is a market woman. She has more money than my father. So the question is, why did she stay? In her mind, she stayed to make sure that our father did not take us away from her. But I don't think my father would have taken us, because he's an angry person. He's always angry. He would have said, hey, all of you go to your mother and pack all of us for her. But she didn't know that. She thought she was helping us. She never did. When I said that and she said that, I never complained. But by that time I was talking to her, I was only 12 years. But it was just too much, the embarrassment, because he would chase her and her cloth would just fall. You know how this our African women, they use cloth on their thing, just cloth, and she would run and the cloth would fall and my mother would be naked. And my classmates and people, the shame it was giving me. I wasn't the happiest kid. I was never happy. Very sad, and always. And our mother will travel, and when she travels, I'm praying she doesn't come back, because I can't do it again. But my mother will come, and small thing is like he'll be chasing her about, and the embarrassment is just too much. And you know, from there, the only thing I was saying in my mind is I will never marry. I would never marry. If this is what it is, it's not for me. I will never marry. So I create a whole perception of whom a man is in my head. So my own is just to go to school, learn, excel. That is it. I have nothing to do with boyfriend, girlfriend. But what happened is, you see, my mother never knew how much her staying has affected me. She didn't know. She thought she was helping me, but it has affected me so much. So after school, men are coming. I'm like, when the man is talking, the only thing I can hear is, I'll beat you, I'll beat you, I'll beat you. That's all I can hear. Nothing else. That is the only thing I can hear. So it's like, I'll beat you, I'll beat you. Myself, I'm like, this thing, me, I don't think I can marry you. Then my mother will be like, oh, now that you're about to get married, I want to know which man. I'm like, I can't I can't marry. My mother said, why not? You can. And I'm like, that is the only thing I can hear. I'll beat you, I'll beat you, I'll beat you, I'll beat you. My mom said, no, you come and show me the man. You bring any man who comes and you think this man has made the spec, but the only thing I can hear from them is I'll beat you. Then I brought one. And I wasn't there. They both chatted and everything. And the guy left. Then my mother called me and said, he's never saying I'll beat you. This man is the calmest person on earth. It's not like he's calm in kind of his words, but I'm listening because I have learned lessons from what I did and the mistakes I've made. And I know how much I caused you pain. He's not saying he will beat you. It's the trauma I have caused you. That is what was speaking in your ears. So don't worry. This is a good person. This is a good man. It's fine. Your uncles are the ones who are going to be the one talking to this man. And he will know the kind of family you are coming from. He will even be afraid to even think about it. So then I decided, even that one I said no until my mother passed. And then I decided I will marry. You see, my father, who was beating my mother, the day I got married, he called me. He said, the day that man stretched his hand to hit you, call me. That very man, though, who was abusing somebody's daughter, now is afraid that his daughter will be abused by another man. You see, we stay thinking it's the same case. We are not protecting them. At the end of the day, we are just causing more trouble for the child. Psychologically, they become disabled children, or older people. You become disabled. So we have to really weigh this thing we are doing, because you will not see. I was a very quiet person. That's what they thought. They thought I was very quiet, but it's the hurt I'm hurting. That is what made me quiet in the house. And when I go to school, I don't talk. I put my energy into what I did was putting my energy into my books. But if someone tried to hurt me, the way I will beat the person, if it is this Oyibo place, I'm sure they would have arrested my parents. Because when I'm fighting to beat you. You see, it's not good. But that was, because that is what I saw. It has. So I was doing those things. I was violent. I won't come and hurt you, but if you try, all your nose will be bleeding. You see, for my father to stop the beating, one day somebody brought the son to our house, and the person said, I beat the son. My father was like, no, my daughter doesn't even talk. How come that she beat your son? The man said, yes, your daughter did this to my son. The boy was bruised all over. And that day, that was the first day I saw my father wept. He was ashamed of my actions. And I'm sure that he sat there and he said, I think I taught her wrong. And that was the last time we ever saw my parents going about and fighting. So it's just unfortunate. I'm sorry, my sister, all this thing happening to you. But you can do it, you can do it. You can do it. You can make it happen. Being on your own with your children, you can make it happen. People are doing it. You can. You can. So just find strength in you. Find strength in you. And you've already damaged the children already. Don't think they are not seeing. Look at me at 12 years, telling my mother to leave a marriage. It tells you that I couldn't take it anymore. So women, let's do better. Let's do better. Let's do better and raise our children better. Let's give them good examples. Good example. You see your mother-in-law telling you that is how the father was. You see, that is where you should be running. That is the time you should be run. Don't look back. Run. Run as much as you can run. That tells you that this thing is a cycle. So if you leave your son in that environment, your son or your daughter is also going to grow up and abuse another person's child. You don't want to be called for someone be telling you this, and you'll be so ashamed that you didn't perform your part as a parent. So please, women, let's do better. We can do all these good things. We can raise our children. It doesn't mean you don't need a man. We do need men, but good men. You see, good men, supportive men, a man who sees you as a partner, as a human being, not the one who says that if I'm talking, you a woman who sits down to why are you talking? No. We want supportive. And that is how women on this page, those who are having male children, raise your children well, including the female children. Let's raise them well. Let's raise our male and female children equally. So that when they are leaving the house, they knew mommy raised us equally. Mommy does not think that I'm a man, so I'm more important than my sister. But we will tell our children that, when your brother is talking, don't talk. You are a woman. You see, these are the things we are telling our children. Raise them equally. And when they grow, they know that women are as equal as them. And they respect them just like they will respect their male counterparts. Women should also know. So if you're raising your daughter, let your daughter also know that the male who is there is as important as her. So the way she wants respect, she should respect her brother like that. She should respect a man like that. And then everything is equal. So we should do better. We should do better. That is my point. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you very much, sister. God bless you. Thank you for your submission. Next person, please.
Good afternoon, everybody.
Sister Abella.
God bless you all.
Good afternoon, ma.
Ew. I did here since I just the reason something. You know, it's the reason. How come all this abuse everywhere? These people where they abuse, they don't love themselves. Because I don't understand how you go allow yourself, make person they abuse of you. I they say when they start relationship, they do I love you, I love you. How come I love you call turn to abuse? Because one thing when I they observe about abuse now very ugly thing. No, they make woman beautiful. If woman get backside, you go inside. If you get front, everything it go make the woman look old. The woman no go. I don't know. I want to talk. The woman no fit take care of himself. Likewise, the man where woman see the abuse. Now, so you see, be that man if he dey in the midst of his friend, he go they think. How place he go call allow himself to that extent. A man will tell you say I love you, or woman tell you say I love you. That love you don't turn to bitterness. Before you turn to bitterness, why you no move? Why you go allow yourself get to that extent? Say no, this one I make that they talk say be no good though. Because I know say make anybody know inbox me today oh. Make I talk. I know they climb up. Now the reason why I know they climb up might be this one. Make anybody know inbox me. Who just call my inbox now better block and insult I go insult that person. My face just they talk my own now.
If anybody boss you, just screenshot this to send for me.
Okay. You see the other day, I talk one word for you. I say, I tell my children to not carry black pikin enter my house. And I don't know why I say that word. My son, he gets black friends. Every Wednesday, they come my house called they eat in the afternoon time, lunchtime. I go they hear them, all of them go they talk. One of them will come from Cameroon. He say, Papa na coward. Did they hear me? And the way that they come my house for here, the papa not did their life. He say mama na nurse. He said the time when papa did their life. His mama, he know they do anything. His mama look so old. As mama they go church rich, nothing. Where his papa say na so he find one job for the country called Comot. He say mama call go school. His mama na nurse now. His mama call clean up. Where papa they say they come back. In mama will not get Pakistan disease. By force, by fire, call get Pakistan disease. Now say how? He say we take yes, say papa say they come house. In mama go they shake. If you hold water cup for hand, he go they shake like this. The other one say, in mama, in papa, in your go center, bruises. In your jam one woman, your give one belly, in mama kick her out. Say they're happy as they day so now. Now children, me they talk, they are not even children, they be 18, 17, 19, boys. Why me they talk?
Go receive my coffee answer, wait.
Why me they talk this? You see the environment where you they train your children up. If peace not there, now what you give, now the children go take. And not be only say they will use them for themselves, they will use them for another person's children. I come here today, call talk this. You fit take abuse where man they give you, but your children not go fit take them. Your children not go fit take them at all. Now what you give, now they will take. If you give happiness in your home, they will take them. If you give bad one, they will still take them. So I beg. I know say don't say woman strong. Now me they talk and say all black woman, whether they friend black man, they marry black man, all of them, they be very strong person. Muna know as una take dey set una table, I beg of una in the name of God. Because wetin una dey produce, una need to also know say if una no go fit keep am, make una no go bring them up, make dem go give wetin una give them, dem go give another person children. Una do well. God bless everybody. I wonder when I see my talk.